In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim Robux and please donate on mobile. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Roblox on your device. So as you can see in here, once you head over to the Roblox app and head over to your homepage, once you click on this Robux icon at the top right corner of your screen, this will redirect you to the Buy Robux section. So since the Robux transactions can't be found on the application itself, what you can do is to go ahead and open a browser on your device. It can be any browser that you have for your device. Now in this section, what you'll need to do is to head over to the official website of Roblox, which is roblox.com. Now once you head over to the official website, make sure that you're signed in to your Roblox account. In here, go ahead and click on the Robux icon at the top right corner of your screen and you'll be able to find this drop down. So just go ahead and click on the My Transactions, and in this section you'll be able to find the Robux that you've received on Please Donate game on Roblox. So there is no way for you to claim your Robux that you receive on the Please Donate game, since the Robux that you received from that game will be credited immediately on your Roblox account. So you'll find this under the incoming Robux section, and that's how you can simply claim Robux and Please Donate on mobile.